Hey, what's up guys, my name is Azim and I'm back here with another new smartphone review video. So this time we have the Infinix S4 smartphone to review in this video. Yes guys, this is really a budget smartphone, a really cheap smartphone that comes with a triple camera setup at the back, and it looks premium from all the angles. As you can see, it gives the classy look. And at the bottom of this phone we have the speaker, a microphone, a charging port, and then audio jack. And at the right side we have power button and volume buttons. And at the top of phone you can see we have nothing, and at the left side we have this SIM tray tool. And let me tell you that this is a hybrid SIM slot, so you will not be able to insert two SIM cards and one microSD card at the same time. The first camera is of 13 megapixel, the second one is of 2 megapixel sensor, and the third one is of 8 megapixel sensor. And here we have this quad LED flashlight, and this is the fingerprint sensor at the middle of back side. And here we have this water drop notch at the front display, and this looks stunning. So now let's move into the settings and check out some basic specs of this phone, like RAM and internal and processor of this phone. So you can see it comes with 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of internal storage, 32 megapixel front camera, and the back cameras as I have already told you. And then we have this 2 gigahertz processor, and this is the MediaTek Helio P22 processor. This phone has 4000 mAh of battery, 720 by 1520 pixel of resolution. That is not full HD resolution, it is simple HD, and it is based on Android Pie. So now the next thing we are going to check is the camera of this phone. You can see different modes in the front camera, like we have this video mode, AI cam mode, and beauty mode, bokeh effect mode, and AR shot mode. In AR shot mode you can add some stickers, so I will add some samples captured by this smartphone's cameras. And at the top you can see here we have different modes like flashlight, HDR, and in the settings you can select the resolution, you can adjust it. And then we have this wide angle option, and here we have some screen ratio options, like you can turn it into full square mode or into rectangular mode. The front camera setup, and the front camera is of 32 megapixel. We have got the video mode, AI camera mode, beauty mode, portrait mode, and AR short mode, like we have seen in the back cameras. So here are also same options like HDR flashlight. This is the water drop camera setup. You can see it looks really beautiful. now we will be checking out the resolution of this phone by playing a video in maximum resolution. So I have opened a video in YouTube and let's set the resolution to maximum, and you can see guys that this phone can only support 720p at 60 frames per second videos, so you will not be able to view the videos in full HD resolution, I mean in 1080p. But still you can see that the resolution is fine. It was working very well. I was satisfied with the resolution of this phone, and you got no problem with the 720p resolution. You can still play the 1080p videos in this phone, and that won't show you any kind of lags or frame drops. And now we will be performing a little speed test by launching the apps. So here we have opened the Play Store. You can see it opens up really quickly, and then weather, it also works good, and Gmail, it takes some time, and Google Maps also took some time, and then games, you can see it also took some time. Then camera, it opens up quickly, you can see. And then we have this small game. It is not a highly graphics game, but I will be doing a complete gaming test of this phone, and so stay tuned by subscribing to our channel. This is just a demo, and this is the default game in this phone that comes with pre-installed. So we are done with the gameplay, and now let's open the apps from the recent history. As you have seen guys, that from the recent app history, it opens up the apps really quickly, but when we launch the app first time, then it takes some time to launch the app. So there might be a problem with the processor, like we have a low range processor in this phone, Helio P22, and that's why the performance of this phone is so down. So that's all for today guys. I hope you enjoyed the video very much, and if you enjoyed it, please hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos of this smartphone, like camera review and gaming review.